So I just call Pinhas, please, your presentation on regional effects of climate change.
Thanks to the organizers, Yossi Leshem and Gabriel Armani. My focus will be different. I think I'm the only climate researcher here, so he's going to talk about climate changes in Israel and the region. I have chosen some atmospheric parameters, and I'm focusing on the future predictions. I wish to thank the Professor Franz, who talked before, for giving the global or more larger perspective on climate change, while my focus will be on regional, looking on Israel and the region from a climate perspective. I cannot raise my voice like Yossi. Okay. Particularly in my talk, I wish also to talk about uncertainties and challenges in climate predictions. And I will start, this is the title of my talk, Regional Climate Changes and Potential Impact on Bird Migration. And I wish to thank the Regional Climate Group at Tel Aviv University, particularly Dr. Rana Samuels, who passed away last month and did a lot of the work that I will present here. Here she is with her family, with her 4 children. So I will start with some climate trends over the Mediterranean and the Middle East, look at the challenges as I mentioned, and particularly focus on extremes in what is going to happen with extreme weather conditions, which I think is something missed earlier, but will be talked probably in much of the talks later. I did some work on birds. Yossi Leshem, 15 or 17 years ago, I have a student, and also together with Yossi, Judy, but this is from Anat Be'arad master thesis, we were looking on 18 storks during the years 94 to 99, and we compared the distance done by the stork all the way doing these 11,000 kilometers all the way to South Africa. We were comparing the distance done by the stork to different atmospheric parameters. One of the major factor which is well understood by everybody is the wind. Anat calculated the component of the wind which is parallel to the bird direction, and then looked into the bird's velocity, surface velocity, compared to the wind component parallel to the bird direction, and you can see that there is a very good correlation. But there are other parameters like cloud cover, which we found highly negatively correlated. When the cloud cover goes high, then we can see a drop in the bird's surface velocity. Also temperature, which was mentioned a lot and will be mentioned, the rise in the temperature is significant with climate change. You can see a very close connection between bird velocity and air temperature with a correlation coefficient